everybody, welcome back to this video series. Today we're gonna talk about list views. We're gonna take our app, the one that we been previously working on. We're gonna clean it up a bit so that it looks brand new, and then from there we're gonna introduce list views. So I'm just gonna clean up the code, and then after doing so, I'm gonna introduce list views. Okay, so what I want to do now, let's clean up our code. Let's clean it up, all of it. Let's remove all of it, okay, let's clean this code up. So when we run our code, our app, it's supposed to be looking like this. Okay, it should be empty. So we're gonna introduce list views. Basically, list views meaning that you have a bunch of listed widgets on your app. It's a list, obviously, and it's a scrollable one. So I'm just gonna say my list, right? Now I'm gonna come down here. I'm just gonna do a widget my list, and then I'm gonna var list view is equals to list view. As you all know, like I said, we defined our list view variable. Firstly, we created our list view function that will create eventually will create our list view, and then after that we defined our variable list view, and we're gonna equate this to the list view constructor. And then from inside the list view constructor, we're gonna give it some children so that we can run multiple widgets inside this. So from there, the first widget we're gonna run is the ListTile, and then the ListTile, we're gonna give it some leading. I'll explain everything once I'm done so that you guys can understand. I'm gonna give it an icon, icons dot person colors dot orange. Okay, and I'm also going to give it a size dot dt. All right, And then what I'm going to do is give this a title. Title will be a text. And then in the text, we're going to call this call treasure, which is my name. And then we're going to give it style, obviously. Style, text, style, textile, a textile. And then we're going to give it a color, which is colors dot black. Gonna give it a black color, and then let us give it a font size. Font size of 20.0, right? But then we're not done yet. Okay, we're not done. Let's have a trailing. We're also gonna give this trailing an icon. I'm just gonna copy and paste this, and then I'm gonna give this, change the person icon to call icon. Okay, basically what this all means is that we're gonna have a list view, and in that list view we're gonna have inside the list view we're gonna have children, and then our first child inside our list view will be the list tile. Now, a list tile is basically creates a list of tiles. Creates a list of tiles, and you can still have another list tile within our children list tile. As you can see, a list tile is a fixed height row that typically contains some text as well as a leading or trailing icon. All right, you can have as many widgets as you like in this list view of ours. Bear in mind, this is only the basic list view that we gonna be creating. Okay, so if we run this, it should give us something which firstly I have to return our list view return. Firstly, I have to return our list view. Let me format my code, and then reload our app, and this is exactly how it will look. We can have as many list tiles as we want. Call John, who is my friend as well. As you can see, it prints out call John. We can have as many, like really as many as we wish we can. Like call call Mike. As you can see, this is our list tile. Our leading means a widget to display before the title. So this is our leading is it's obviously this icon. As you can see, a person, and our trailing means a widget to display after the title. You can see we have a title, we have our leading here. Okay, so well, you can basically do anything. You are not bounded to do only icons here. You can give a you can give a text here and say what can I say, big. You just say big, and then you will see it will write big instead of as you can see it wrote big. Let me just increase its size. Style text, style text style is equals to font. No man, what have I done? Font size is equals to 20, or I can say just 30, right? 30. I can just say 30, and then you will see, as you can see, it says big. So you don't necessarily have to write icons only when you're dealing with leading and trailing. You can basically use your mind and put whatever it is that you guys can do. As you can see, it's big, call big. All right, so you can just do whatever you want, guys. This is our list view. You can have a list which can give you a list of all the widgets. You can put all the widgets that you necessarily want within that list view. You can put a text instead of, you can decide to put a text here. You can say text is equals to big, and you will see it will display a text. As you can see, big John, big John. And then you can also align, text align to text align center. You can align it to the center, as you can see, big John. So you can do just about anything that you want within the list view. So that ends our video right there. And guys, remember to like and subscribe. If you don't understand, please leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.